Hi, this is Michael Porter, and in this screencast I want to talk about how you can add images to your posts. So to start that, I'm going to create a document as you normally would, add a title, and then you can start typing whatever. Okay, so now let's say you want to add a cursor image where the cursor is. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Add Insert Edit Image button on the toolbar, and it looks like a picture of a tree right here. When you do that, you see the Insert Edit Image window, and one of the things you notice is it says Image URL. And it says Image URL because it can only reference images that are uploaded onto a server somewhere. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to upload an image onto the server. And we do that by first clicking on the Browse button. Okay, when we do that, we see the file browser. And the file browser contains all files that you have uploaded over the semester. So let's upload a new file. We do that by clicking on the Upload button here. You can browse for it. So I'm going to look in Photos here. Then you click on Open once you find what you're looking for. And if you want to create some thumbnails for it, which is also possible, you can choose that here, this small thumbnails, large thumbnails. Most of the time when you're inserting into a post, you're not going to do that. You can resize it, and I'll show you how. So after you've browsed to it, you want to click on Upload. And it should take a minute. The reason that you do thumbnails, what happens a lot, is people will put the thumbnail on their post, and if you click on the thumbnail, you get to the larger picture itself. And it's still uploading. Okay, so now we see our document is here. Our image is here. And when we expand this out, okay, we can see oops, it's a little too far. Sort of a preview of it down here. We can see the name of the picture here. So let's say now we want to add that picture into our posts. We select it and then click on the Send to TinyMCE link at the top of the page. And now our image URL is populated. What we've just done is we've uploaded the image onto the server, and we've sent the URL to that image into the Insert Edit Image window. We can add a little description. We'll leave the alignment and the dimensions as it is, and you can click Insert. Well, now I see this picture, it's inserted in here, but it's obviously way too big. So what I want to do is I want to resize this. And the way you do that is you click on the image. And when you do, you should see these little handles on the side in the corners. This, for some reason, does not work in Google Chrome, so if you're using Chrome, you're going to have trouble with image editing and image resizing. It does work in Firefox and Safari. So I just want to keep resizing it. Until I'm happy. Okay, now I've got it the right size and I'm pretty good with it. Another way you can resize it is to select the image and change the dimensions. One thing, it doesn't change the dimensions automatically. So one of the things that you're going to have to make sure is that it stays in proportion. You can add a border. You can just type in 1 here. And that adds a little border to it, you can see. And once you're happy with it, you can save it. And you'll see the picture in your post.